In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on LinkedIn. Whether you've had a name change or you just want to update it for any reason, LinkedIn makes it relatively simple. Let's dive into the steps to ensure that you have an up-to-date profile. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head to linkedin.com. Once there, you will see the sign in page. At this stage, you can choose your preferred method to log in. You have the option to sign in with Google for ease, or you can enter your email address and password. Make sure your login credentials are ready and easily accessible. Once logged in, if you have two-factor authentication enabled on LinkedIn, you might be prompted to verify your identity. LinkedIn will send a code to your phone, which you'll need to enter on the website to complete the sign-in process. This step is crucial for maintaining the security of your account, so make sure you have your phone nearby. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your LinkedIn homepage. What you need to do next is go to your profile, look towards the top of the homepage and click on your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear, click on the option that says View Profile. This step will direct you to your profile page where you can see all your information. On your profile, you will see an option to edit certain sections. What you are looking for is the edit icon, that's the pencil-like symbol, located right next to your name. Click on that icon to open the fields where you can change your name details. Now you have the opportunity to enter your new first and last name in the designated fields. Make sure you double check for any spelling errors and that everything is just as you want it. After all, this will publicly represent you on LinkedIn. Once you've entered your new name, the next step is to hit save, which will update your profile with the new information. This part is important to make sure your changes actually take effect. If you're eager to see the updates reflected on your profile, refresh the page after saving. For those who previously had a verification badge on LinkedIn, it's essential to know that you'll need to go through the verification process all over again now that your name has changed. This can ensure all your new information aligns correctly with LinkedIn's verification standards. And that's it, you've successfully changed your name on LinkedIn. Refresh the page just to ensure all updates are applied and you can now continue connecting professionally under your new name. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Be sure to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thank you for watching and happy networking.